and welcome back to your channel again. I'm Maryamkh.englishstudio, and today's lesson is about present continuous. And by the end of this video, you will be able to talk about all actions happen right now. Here, I just ask you to look at this picture. This is Sarah and her brother. Sarah is in the kitchen and her brother is in the living room. Sarah is cooking dinner and her brother is watching TV. They are staying at home. Now, please think more deeply and answer my question by yes or no. Is Sarah cooking now? Is it about past? Is it about every day? Let's see how we could make present continuous style sentences. Okay, everyone, please look at this slide. Present continuous. We always start our sentence with a subject, and then here in present continuous style, having to be verb is really essential, which are am, is, are, and then main verb plus ing, such as I, which always comes with am, he, she, it come with is, and you, we, they come with are, and verb plus ing all fixed here. Here is some real examples. Look at them. I am studying English. She is cooking. They are watching TV. How we could make negative style? In negative style, we add a not to be verb and then write the rest of the sentence. Like here, I am not studying English. Or we can say, I'm not studying English. She is not cooking. We could say, she isn't cooking. They are not watching. We could say, they aren't watching. And with writing, in writing question style, we just make a replacement. Again, to be verb with subject. As you can see in a real examples here, bring to be verb in the beginning of the sentence and then write subject and then verb plus ing. Are you studying now? Yes, I am. Or no, I am not. Or I'm not. Is she cooking now? Yes, she is. Are they watching TV? No, they aren't. Easy peasy. Now it's your turn. Please complete this sentence with a real and right shape of the word in the parentheses. First of all, read the sentence carefully. She reads a book now. Yeah, I have to write a present continuous style sentence. And next is a question sentence. I have to write a question sentence. And the next one is negative. Let's see a real and right answer. He is reading a book. And are they playing? He isn't sleeping. Easy peasy, everyone. Just need more practice. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I really appreciate your support and see you soon. Bye bye.